Hi everyone, I'm the group leader of the IDS Ninjas. Today I'm going to introduce the assignment 3 spring 3 of the Master Chef to you guys. First, we did our 11 interviews regarding the user research. And then we discussed it, we summarized it into the affinity diagram for each of those members. And then we did group it individually. Upon the user's way of cooking or some pain points upon the visualization features, navigations, contents, and then we also after that we push it to the second version of the grouping and classifying stage of the affinity diagram. This version is more mixed together for each of those interview findings, and after that we found out some really useful points, like the back bottom is not that properly to put at the bottom of the page, which we didn't do it really well in the last spring because we put it at the bottom of the page, so people might get a long screen and they might have no idea to find where can I go back to the previous page. And we also find out so many other issues like navigations upon the categories, different goals, control should not be put in the search but the main page, or the other upon some features that user have some special conditions should have a button to filter those dishes, like if you are being vegetarian people or a people that might allergic to some kind of ingredients that they could use. After that, we push it to the third version of the affinity map. This is upon 4 directions, more urgent, more different, or hard to design and build, or easy to design and build, so that the team can more easily and basically know that which feature should we build first because that's more urgent, which feature should be breaking down to build because that's hard. And we also put the rest of those point of views on a side for our user analyze. Next, we did analyze our interviews upon the positive findings, like most of the basic function page exceeds, such as search and video tutorials, like what we meant to design are all there. And then some marketplace, we find a broad variety of ingredients. User can get rewards by uploading their own dishes. That's what we've done at this stage. For the usability issues and recommendations, that we found so many useful issues that could help us to improve, like the button for the plus and minus are not collectible on the grocery back page, that would disappoint user, and something like there's no page where user can upload and share dishes photo. That's what we didn't do it on the last sprint because we just designed a button but there's no actual page. We also got the recommendation like add an upload page including dish name, pictures, comments. That is what we did in this sprint. And we didn't change our problem statements because that's pretty much fit into our current stage, and for the target are all the same. And then the persona review are the same as well, because after the last time's editing, we don't think that the user target will be different at this stage between the last stage. We mainly change the sub-hypothesis table, which means the main hypothesis table keeps the same. We add some more features for the next spring to build, like scanning food. People are outside so they can scan the food to know how we actually cook it and learn. And then after that is the community chat system, because we didn't design it because we think that this would be a hard point to design, but we will break it down and let's see how it goes. For the next point is the personalized recommendation. People would feel a sense of belonging if we did that to the people who has like special conditions, or if people are gym person, we'll promote some gym meals. And then we can develop a YouTube video link to the professional chefs as well. For the review of the prototype 1 and 2, we visit the sketching, and then the Spring 2's one would be a brief introduction to our prototype. And after that, we refined the prototype into our Spring 3 prototype 3. So this is a demo, and this is how we linked it together. And then now I will show you guys how it worked. This is the first page that after user download it, and then we click next. And people might need to create an account, sign in with Google, and after that you are all set. Thank you for choosing us. And here you go. This is the main page of the application. You can search more dishes, remove the keyboard. After that, you can go into daily yummy meal. For if you like the scrambled egg, you can go into scrambled egg. If you like a healthy gym meal, you can go to there and then you can get the menu. Of course, you can search some like Caesar salad with chicken. It can show you the ingredients. If you really want to know how you make it, you can click into the preparation steps, and then it will show you videos step by step. Step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5. After that, you're pretty much done. And then you can upload your dishes by taking photos. You can upload photos here, enter the dish name, comment what special things happens when you are making this, and then upload. After that, it will take you to the rewarding page, which is a pretty impressive page that showing how many points that you've earned. And then you can have the recent uploads, reviews, earnings showing on the screen. This is our grocery bag page, which is storing the ingredients that you might want to buy. And you can add ingredients in there, remove it, or you can even remove the whole categories. And then if you saw a low stock point, if you want to add that low stock into your grocery bag, it will have a reminder of currently low in stock at Coles or Woolworths. After that, this is an account page that you can get premiums here, showing you how many stars you've earned. You can log out, which is taking you back to the creating account page. So that's pretty much our stage now. And then this is the individual effort that I've done the prototype sketching, affinity diagram updating review, and then the contribution, and then editing of the PowerPoint. And Sweanhuns did the interviews, hypothesis table update, and affinity diagram. And Xingyu Zhou did the interviews, affinity diagram, and then he did contribute to the usability issues finding as well. Shuxuan Wang did the affinity diagram interviews, and then he also found some step-by-step video tutorial for the demo. After that, Andri Bong did the interviews and user research, and Yiting Huang did the interviews and the affinity diagram, and he also contributed to the findings. That's pretty much this time's Spring 3. Thank you for listening.